Hey, what is going on there, YouTube? This is the Game Guy, and today I am bringing you to an unboxing. This was what I was meant to put out on Wednesday, or I was meant to record on Wednesday and put out on Wednesday. However, I just didn't have the time to record it, and it was like 5 PM when I was like in, and it was just completely dark, so I don't think it would have made the best setting. And this camera doesn't really like to focus on me when it's dark, it likes to focus on the background. So I'm recording it in the morning, and yeah. This unboxing includes obviously my week 14 items, but it also includes 2 items from Uniqlo for the Uniqlo Kaws collaboration, or their most recent one. So yeah, I picked 2 items up from there, and they're just going to be unboxed as well because I have them like here, so it's like I might as well unbox them type of scenario. As always, let me know down below if your items from week 14 have arrived. If they have, what did you cop, what size, what colorway, or what accessory or item did you cop, or did you cop the blessed bundle? Other than that, are you going to be stocking, rocking, or reselling it? Or has your item not arrived yet, and do you have like a shipping sort of date where it's going to arrive? And yeah, other than that, let's unbox these pieces, because I've actually got more than 1 item for once, so I'm quite happy. Well, actually last time I had 2 items, I think the week before, but still, more than 1 sort of, or more than 2 items to unbox this time. Don't really need a plant as the main focus. It can go next to me though. Okay, so obviously we have the items that I copped, and yeah, I think I'll go from like left to right, ending on the blessed bundle piece. So first is going to be Uniqlo, or Uniqlo Kaws. Cool. So with this, there is 1 piece which is for me, which I'll be wearing at some point soon, and the other piece is actually a present. So yeah, I will probably include the same footage in like a month's time for a sort of like Christmas type video, so yeah. I'm trying to remember which piece is which. I think this is the present. That can go to the side. With the present, I paid like, it was like £1, I think, for a box, which for like gifting and stuff, which is pretty cool. So yeah, that's that set. So that will not be unboxed, but this one should be. Yeah, yes, yeah. Oh, it's embroidered as well, that is insane. This is my piece for the personal. It's crew neck, sweatshirt, whatever you want to call it. With the 2 X's on the front, so. Oh yeah, that's embroidered, that is really cool. That is insanely cool, I'll be honest. So then what else should be on here is on the back, which it is, should be a graphic. I mean, that's just sick. I'm happy with this. People did say that the material was a bit thin, and I agree, it's a tiny bit like on the thin side when you feel it. However, it's extremely cool. I might wear it for the live cop, to be honest, because I'm recording this on a Thursday morning before the live cop, so I might wear this during the live cop, I don't know. Or I might just save it for another video. Maybe next week's live cop, I'll wear it. But yeah, that is the first piece for this unboxing. I didn't fold that very well at all, did I really? I'll leave it like that. So yeah, that is those are the first 2 pieces for this unboxing, being the Uniqlo, and one that you will see at some point in time. But I really do love the detail on like just the Uniqlo pieces, or the sort of collab side. Like this one has the 2 eyes, or the 2 X's on it embroidered, and this is on the chest embroidered for like £24, or not even that, £19. Like, you can't really go wrong with a piece like that for £19 for a Kaws Sesame Street, you know, Uniqlo collaboration. It's really sick. So yeah, that is the first item or items out of the way. Next, we move on to Supreme. I'll use a knife, okay? I will use a knife. That was not safe. Okay, I used a knife to cut it a bit. So this is going to be the headed ear flap beanie, I believe it was called, or that was its name. Every single colorway did sell out, and I think it came back in stock, but I'd have to check that, to be honest. But I believe every single colorway came back in stock in the end, so. Okay, basic box logo sticker. People said that they got a killer box logo sticker in one of their like items that they received, so that's extremely lucky, but I was hoping for something like that. Not expecting, but hoping for something like that, but unfortunately not. So here is the beanie. Yeah, the headed ear flap beanie, correct. So this is for the personal because I really did like it. Soft as hell, yeah. And there it is. I need to sort of bring it closer, don't I think that's sick. I mean, Jesus, it is long as hell. I mean, it covers my ears, but that does not look like how it's meant to normally sit for you. Maybe I think I maybe had it the wrong way. Yeah, I probably had it the wrong way, but there. Ears are covered. I like it. So it's a really cool beanie. I really like the colorway. The oatmeal colorway was nice and the red colorway was nice, but I just found that grey and blue really did stand out quite well, and yeah, they matched quite well too. So it was just a good sort of choice for me, or it was my sort of choice that I was happy with. So there is that piece. A lot of people said to go for obviously the other beanie that dropped, which was the Gore-Tex one. But I don't know, while I store this, I'd rather have it sit a bit more appropriately, but there we go. So yeah, people said that I should have probably got the Gore-Tex beanie, but I was happy getting this one, to be honest. Like, it didn't make a difference which beanie I picked up. I just wanted to pick one of them, and I just found that this one just, I don't know, synced a bit better with me. So moving on to the final sort of section, being the blessed bundle. Trying to avoid showing any details. Let me know if you've watched the sort of DVD yet, or if you've watched the sort of video of them documenting everything. And yeah, let's unbox this. So we've got a box logo sticker again. I'm gonna keep this bag like that because it's not open, it's still sealed, so there's nothing inside there. So that's just a blank new bag. Okay, so it is completely together. Oh damn, okay. I'll move the box to the side, sit it on this or something. Oh, everything is literally sealed, okay. Blessed. I would get the T out, but it's folded like perfectly, and I'd never be able to fold it back like that, so I'll throw up some sort of close images of it or something, so it says blessed on the bag. But that is going to cover this video. If you enjoyed, like, be much appreciated. Other than that, obviously, if you have unboxed anything, or if you picked anything up from the Uniqlo Kaws collab, what did you get? You know, and if you got your items from last week, what did you get? Obviously again, but that is going to cover this video. I will probably have an upload either tomorrow or on Monday, but yeah, that is it. That's all I can say. So I've got half an hour until the sort of Supreme updates. So I'm gonna go and hopefully take a W, possibly, I don't know, but yeah. You'll be seeing this video on Saturday. I was going to upload it on Friday, or thinking about uploading it on Friday, but I'm just gonna put it out on Saturday, so yeah. Thank you for watching. I'll see you all next time, and thank you for the support on the last week of videos. I really do appreciate it, and yeah, thank you. I'll see you all next time. Peace.